Don't you throw your milk. That's a boy. Don't even think about it. No, 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 no. Pick your milk up. Pick your milk up. Hello. Pick your milk up, please. Hey, pick up your milk. Pick your milk up. Pick your milk up. Pick it up, please. Hey, pick your milk up. Hey. Hey, pick your milk up. Yeah, it's on the floor. Pick it up. Can you pick it up? Pick your milk up. Hand it to Mama. Thank you. Hand it to Mama. Good job. Oops. There's your lion. Give your milk to Dada when you're done. What is the noise?
I'm just doing my hand.
Give your milk to Dada.
Can I have your milk?
No. Ah, pick your milk up. Hey.
Hey.
Pick your milk up, please.
Hey.
Dada, show where milk is.
Hey, come here. Here, can you pick your milk up? Hey, Mason. Mason, can you pick your milk up?
Pick up your milk, please.
Here, look.
Pick up your milk, please.
Pick up your milk.
Bam. Pick up your milk, please.
Pick up your milk.
Look at Mama. Look. Right here. Pick up your milk. Oh, nice. Can you pick up your milk? No, 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 no to you. You bad boy. Who are you talking to? Come back here, pick your milk up. Baby's eating, leave him alone. Come here. Hey! Pato. Your mom. Eating dog food.
Here you go.
Baby, I'll kick you out. Come here. Come here. Come here. Let's go. Come this way. Let's pick up your milk. Can you pick up your milk? Right here? Hand it to Mama. Here. 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 Look. Hand Mama your milk. Thank you. Good job. Thank you. Good boy. Good job. Can you clap? Yay. Good job. Yay. Open Bam's cage for him. He's not gonna be able to drink his water.
No.
Bye bye. Say bye bye to me.